Battle of the Champion. Ikin PATOLOVER boy. Genki EDDY.
I don't know how to pretend. Don't think page, I look at you like it bang, bang, bang. Cut it, come a leg.
Yuma Ditman Pitian Machiel Ikumalume Uganda Bibedi Acholi Inindwa Ber Medwe Mabungwen Magalibario Kipirario Wiangwen Lokdu Loke Wadoni Diba Weklwako Ye Angamo Terai Ikin Jario Man Peking who owns the crown Battle for the champions in northern Uganda Donyo Techiling Ali Pirario Keken VIP Ali Pira Beach Mecha Ali Mia Beach Kimilona Chel Angamo Teraway Kumalume Uganda Ikin EDDY WIZZY Genki PATOLOVER boy Binweri Mokchaden PNP man ina yebi ngolo warwate ya Acholi in lukali yubmana yeka chel events tukdel coffee Churchill Court Hotel ke delight multimedia. Yes sir, who owns the crown mwagali video kipiar yo we angwen watika waranyim wangati stage kanyo mera tinini
ati mabe
stage wani gilwoni ngo
stage ni gilwoni nong tu ni dakare gang
nongo
nong tu ni
Nying stage for ukere loko nying stage yenu awan komu inda ti kwera do
ni gilwoni centenary stage.
Okay,
yes.
Look, now we read your
stage wa ni nye nong tu ni dakare gang ti located the centenary bang aye
pingo nye nong tu
ni tien lokane aka ina bir ma in pe gwa kai mabe e gudi town ka ni ino tu ni ti dakare ngo gang so ene payment topic ma wa
ene payment topic mo it's okay. All right. Okay. Who owns the crown? Magalibari Okipiario. We angwen. Watika waranyim. Omera tinini.
Ati mabe.
Ni.
Nyanya ko Dennis Wilfred Paul paga down lu ani young boy.
Yes, young boy. Watiki yumatika waranyim pe matiki PATOLOVER boy genki EDDY WIZZY. Itamne John kago chere we abam ikitme we. Itama ngama ramula la wore.
To be honest, log me we wa we go lifestyle padano o better side.
Yes.
Lifestyle padano better part.
Yes.
Ngara man ramo kwa mano. Wakcha keneno pemaro bedu manongo. We go way nyuta nga gini. Eno ni ene pe gina jani te chere ka piem. Ai we me lo gadaba.
Yes.
PATOLOVER boy.
PATOLOVER boy.
Piene pato pe o wer we ma keken. Dak bene ori we mo wer me jin twin dano me yo mo twin dano duata. We chalo. We papa ma beje ne duong mama pedam yo.
Afo mate young boy. Young
Nyako Dennis.
Yo de money chani ni.
Young boy.
Any young boy. Omera tinini.
Ati mabe.
Ni
Angeluane pilot.
Pilot kinjario man itama ngama ramuluru la wore.
An mer ma charo kin mana neno kwere nyo ngama dong uluto tiki bek yanyim. Ana ja pato mo go nyero pian pato dan ma do riwe.
Okay.
Wayang chon werwe kuj. Kar me kam chan ma no furete de wunyu pato.
Okay. Afo mata kwitani. Yes.
Yem dano toko ingom bidore kum ngom kanino ne romo.
Yes. We nunga tampalo dero tinini omera.
Ati mera.
Afo mata.
Afo ba.
PMT rodong wadonyo redi ba itama nga mara mutingu kwa tmani kin PATOLOVER boy genki EDDY WIZZY.
La dira lo kada ba porre ki kwa gina pangeo kiranga ama boloya ba pian we weng luwe madon.
Oxford in tumbor penga nga mo biloyo.
Foda tiki wise kanyo pangea nga ama boloya.
Bini ya Acholi in we more.
La lo mo pe
afo matek. Yup. Itini la dit. Yes ni Otema George. Ikinjar yo man itamuni anga maro mutingu kwat man ka o ikidme we.
Ikidme we anam chair PATOLOVER boy.
Chair PATOLOVER boy.
Yes.
Pingo.
Kana mar we an Bellow we ma det. Where we me phone chaben we chon ten we ne phone te.
Okay.
Yes.
Apa matang ni?
Amar we da dere.
Angani.
We da dere.
Enini. Ena ye mar.
Ate mar nan we chayan ram tem maba.
Ni
ne gamorish.
Onega models watching en barela diteni eti wajo PATOLOVER boy. Yes, long ticket ko merka papia no ticket slow. watika waranyim kita wajigede owns the crown abinu in national computers of course kama ino ye jami maduong mamete kitineno kere meru batteries meru solar meru chimi meru jami matiwi kimach wengti nonge kan weka pen kong adana chelario malube kiyuma itinini
Tima be
afa matek
afa do
yes ni
by the names of Brenda.
So Brenda, do you know this artist here?
Yeah, I do.
You do know? Yes. Now we are having a battle which is going to happen on the 7th September 2024 at Acholi Inn. It's a battle between the two. It's a healthy battle, musical competition between PATOLOVER and WIZZY. Who is your favorite?
I wouldn't say I have a favorite, but
okay.
I'm well versed more with WIZZY's music. I'm not so well versed about PATOLOVER's music. I don't know so much about him. At least I know more about WIZZY's music.
Thank you for your opinion.
Yeah.
Any word for the fans outside there watching?
They should go and support their own and have fun.
All right. Yes, kamanu again wabi neno nasho bene neno enuni kununo gubi okay staff menene gichwaro yubman. Thank you very much. Ichieng abichel kikome no watiero iya Acholi Inn. Obi bere magwamada paytem. Watika waranyim atikan ki ladira chel ladira tinini atima benyi
nyakilwa ni
WIDDY na WIDDY watiki luwer yo man PATOLOVER boy gen ki WIZZY John tiki pia mu bertie inindwa beru ya Acholi Inn madong pe bo tutwal lakini neno ikidme wait ikina jari yo man anga madok kilu ne pepe ka obini ikidme music
industry kani awengi ken luwer yo ne
yes
penny pilipa part of music industry but the can make capacity in music
yes
me assuring ke dano perak no mera we chugo ba penny kona mar patona mar WIZZY but it's a bad guy
okay
but it bad let me music
baddest
kai winya waki intro ne outro ne the way kepa pauto timo ke da jimi ne different kepa WIZZY timo ke da
okay
yeah
afa mateka pitami yes warwate inindwe aberu ya Acholi Inn chwak eni pugi kikan otherwise ilup korbene ya Acholi Inn
I want to know what here wine bot pato ko
afa matek bro yes
Luane Ronnie. Yes.
Ronnie ngome timo mabe yekan.
Yeah, here we do a lot of things. We do graphics, we do printing, a lot. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, now we have a battle which is going on. That's a battle between PATOLOVER boy and WIZZY, dubbed Who Owns the Crown, due to happen on the 7th September 2024 at Acholi Inn. Now, who do you think will win the crown among the two?
Actually, according to me, these two artists when Jomadon.
Yes.
It depends on tiki fans madong.
Okay.
But to me, I don't know PATOLOVER boy. The reason why I watch community.
Yes.
PATOLOVER boy kawachako following and pochakatin.
Yes.
Down my poll PATOLOVER boy kiwe mungu machon chalo kanamu kono kwene since that day up to now keneno from that day up to now PATOLOVER boy is still in the game.
Okay.
I know we are watching to me not to anyone's own
but your opinion of course
kita ngero can
yes that's what take penyo tampa dana
PATOLOVER boy still are the best. That's to me.
Okay.
Yes.
After matek. Yeah, we come down watch it this side. For the tiaro Gulu city, what tiaro the street, what tika pale, penyo tampa luake ken fori. Malubeke who owns the crown. Magali badio kipia rio wiangwen. And then be penyo tiaro mochoro. Don't pubi yen wa medanyim. Uye wa geka ni watid. Wabikube. Who owns the crown? Angamotera.